I will show you how to install SQL Server 2022 on Windows machine and also SQL Server Management Studio. In the Google search box, write down SQL Server. Click on this link. I will give the link into description box. This window will come. Please subscribe and like. Click on Download Now button under the Developer section. Downloading complete and install now. Click on Basic. Click on Accept. Click on Install. Give time to install this. Congratulations that you have installed SQL Server on your system, but if you need to install SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, click on this link to download SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the download file. Click on Install. Setup completed and click on Close. From Start menu, open SQL Server Management Studio. So this window will pop up. Go to server name, use localhost. Write down here. And authentication field, use authentication. Encryption. Choose optional. Click on Options. Click on Connect. You are now successfully connect with SQL Server Management Studio now. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.